Today's date it's Monday 13 April 2026, and it's another year, and it's a fantastic year to start over. If I have to start over and see where this year take us. So about it, I've created a playlist. This playlist, it's a, I call it like 2026 season, like it's a new year. Years has been already passed, like it's another year, I could put it like that way. It's another year, and meaning that new things can happen, things of the market. So in this playlist it will be like a season, you know as we have season 1, season 2, but in a way of, for me, it's like 2020, 2026, 2025. This one is 2026. Starting from now on, I'll be doing like that way. And however, it's gonna be in YouTube. It's a YouTube playlist for now. Uh so this is how things are gonna be from now on forward. I'll be uploading in this playlist. The best way that I'll be uploading is on Wednesday and Saturday. That is the way that I'll try do my best to upload. If anything happen, Monday, Tuesday, something happen, I will upload it on Wednesday late night or Wednesday morning. I don't know. We'll see how things goes. And then if something happen on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it's when I get it to upload it. Good. How about now we get started with something that I wanna put some spicy on it, right? So the realization, I had a realization. There were 2 months that I had a loss, which was January and March in this year, as the start of this year, January. I lost an account just in a day. Okay, I got wiped out. Cool. This is the market. We cannot predict everything that is gonna be happening, right? So I couldn't predict everything. Like, it's just is the market. And then the other one on March, okay, that one here, it was also out of my control. That one also, I couldn't do anything. I was busy also that day, I think so. I'm gonna put it like it. And January, I was also impatient. Yeah, there's something that happened. And then after that, what was in my next plan? Okay, my
Wait, wait,
next
wait,
plan.
wait. Before we talk about the next plane, hear me out. The realization that I was talking about, or the one that I had, it was that losing back to back, I realized afterwards that the market that I was trading before and the market that I was trading on those 2 months that I lost, it was different. The war just broke out, goals reacting differently. Trump era is another new Trump era. The last time that I was trading the government shutdown when the US had a government shutdown, meaning that the market also had a little bit of cool off. It was not really, reacting in a manner that you won't the way that it was reacting that time when I was trading. So yeah, that is the realization that I wanted to talk about. So yeah.
Since I lost those two trades in this year, 2026, I was like, okay, that is enough. How about I reduce my leverage to, because it was 1,1 to 500 as my leverage. Yes, last time it did work perfectly on my first, profitable account or journaling that I was like profitable. Yes, I got some money out of the, trade, the initial deposit that I had, more than that. Then it worked. 1 is to 500 leverage. But now I'm thinking of reducing it and playing a long term game. Have to be like that way, right? I'll try. So from 1, I'm changing the leverage from 1 is to 500 to 1 is to 250 leverage. And that will be all. On top of that, I'll be depositing the same amount that I have been depositing, that I saw with my life. But without recovery, or without being able to make about 10K plus, or 11K, 12K, I won't be depositing any amount that is more than 500. So that's the thing about it. And after that, I'll be depositing 500. That is what I decided to do. And the daily goals will be like 1 to 2 trades per day. 3 is gonna be max, and then 2 trades, and then we're gonna have like, okay, my maximum profit a day for the first, maybe for the first month, things goes well, smoothly. But for the first month, it'll be like 250 a day, 250 a day, 250 a day in a week. Then the next week, we turn around things and we increase as the amount increase of the one that I have in my account. Also, the daily goal can just tiny increase. So max of a target a day could be 600 or 1000 if possible. Okay, but 600 was what I can do, not we, I can do. And then the daily loss, yeah, it does not make sense to target 250 rands a day and lose 350. So we have to see how things goes, because I trade gold and gold behaves differently than the other markets. You could be up, you could be down in any moment. You could be up for real, and you could be down for real. If you don't check out the right entry, if I have early entries, then it's when I can wipe out. So yeah. And then on top of that, the only thing that I know for sure that I'm gonna need is the triangle, which strategy, risk management, discipline. It repeats like that one. Those are the three things that I need, which is strategy, risk management, discipline. Strategy, discipline, risk management. So we know how things will be there. Like, will be like that way. In terms of updates on when I deposit the account, when I deposit, I'll give the update of what is the function of the account, why you are now wanna trade it, and where do I get the money from there on, something like those. I will, update you in those terms, in those short videos. Or yeah, I think that's all that I wanted to, say out loud and release them. So we shall see how things goes. But I'm playing right now. I'm looking forward just to play a long-term game, meaning that also if I don't get a trade in a day, it's okay. A week, it's okay. A month, it's okay. If I don't feel the trade, if I don't feel it, if I don't feel that this trade it's not okay, I'm not gonna trade it. And if I don't feel okay, like I'm not okay emotionally, I'm not gonna trade. I know it's a bummer when you find out the trade that I was supposed to be taken, I didn't take, and it went in my way. It's gonna create a whole other emotions, and we don't want that. I don't want that actually. So I just have to stay disciplined and understand that the markets will always repeat, and there will always be opportunities all over. Yeah, there will always be opportunities one way or the other. So being said that, I guess I have to see afterwards how things will go. So